guys, in the last video I rode it and it was running great, but the top end speed wasn't good. Like till 43 I went this and left the accelerator. So again I'm going to test it out, but with different carburetor. So yes, I have checked before the jets inside are a little bit bigger in size than the jets over there. So yes, I'm going to change the carburetor and see how this thing runs. Like will it make any difference to the acceleration? I have the footage with me with of the last ride, so that's what I installed the speed, like the mobile over here for getting the speed meter reading. So again we are going to do that same, but with different carburetor. We'll see what this thing can do, like with like oversized jet or with bigger jets. So let's just move on and remove that carburetor and put this carburetor on there. Alright guys, so both the carburetors are side by side. I opened up the float, like the bottom of both the carburetors. This is the carburetor with the other engine. This is the carburetor for this engine. So let's just call this the old carburetor and this is the new carburetor. So from old carburetor I'm going to remove these jets and main jet and the pilot jet. So we'll just exchange it over here. Let's just jump over and install it over. It is running for now. I hope it made some changes that we'll find out when we hit the test drive. Yes guys, so we are out for the flat tarmac. There is a flat tarmac over here and also over that side as well. There is flat tarmac. So I'm going to full sand this thing. Full sand it. So I hope so this side would be enough for me, otherwise I have to go that side also. Let's just unload the bike and test the top speed of this thing. guys do? Like 46? Alright guys, so my brother is going to drive this thing and see the top speed. He has got a GPS meter with him. It looks big. I appreciated that.
Very comfortable. Very good.
He did even more than me. He hit it around like 47, a top speed of 47. I was just able to do 46 only. Alright guys, I hope the camera angle is great, because I'm going to hit the dunes with this. Let's just try it out. Instead of going over here, I'm going to go over that side. Let's just change the direction. I'm doing better on this thing. I ran out of petrol. Really, I'm almost close to the car. Oh, it's a big, steep hill. It is really steep at front of me. Thank God I didn't came at full throttle over here. I hope I'll make it in one piece, otherwise I'm going to drop the bike and run away. Okay guys, I'm trying to go down. There was a way all over that side, so I wasn't having enough gas to go over that side, so I just made a shortcut over here. And yes, I'm going to try to move it down. Oh my god. Oh, but getting it out of here is a nightmare, really. It isn't running right now, so I have to push it out. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ.
बंद करो.
हाँ?
लाइट तो बंद करो.
The light is working. Oh.
Come on, come on, come on. Go straight, no? Which way you go?
I'm trying to get this thing out of here. Okay guys, so I just made it out. Whoa. I just made it out. It's too hot out here. Let me just get back to the car and load it up. So I had a fun with this. It is able to do off-roading, which is a great thing, really. Whew. Because of the wheel, the vibration over here is a lot. Whew. I'm tired right now. I'm tired, really, I'm tired. Whew. So, I'm back. Alright guys, I took it out and rode it. It was an awesome thing. Like when my brother was riding it, I just saw it. It was almost looking like a Harley, as you can note in the video. Like it was just like no one can say that it's not a Harley bike. It is like a Harley. Yes, it is. It was looking awesome when my brother was riding it. I was just saying that. And yeah, the shape of the bike has came up good. Yes, I have changed the stand off camera because it wasn't a great place, so I just installed it over here and placed the battery. And yeah, this thing was able to run in dunes also, which is a great thing. I was kind of it was kind of hard for me to balance it out, but still I managed to drive it. I'm not good at riding two-wheelers, but yes, I was shocked at myself that I was riding two-wheeler in the dunes and trying to balance this thing. I was shocked at myself also. Yes, it is almost complete. I need to change up the gearings and increase the speed of this, but I'll do that later on. So hopefully in the next video I'll just change up the gearings. Like I said in the previous video, I'll change it over in this video, but I want to test it out with the gearings over here, so I didn't change the gearing. But now I will change the gearing because top end speed isn't enough at all. I can drive this thing, can be ridden in more speed, or maybe in the future I'll get a new engine for this, a gear engine. So we'll just find that thing out in the later videos, but now I'll see the gearings, like change the gearings and increase the speed of this thing. Hope you all enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.